Hi, I'm Anthony DeVivio, Sales Director for the Harlem and Riverdale office of Halstead Property. Hamilton Heights was home to Alexander Hamilton and is located in one of the highest elevations in Manhattan, hence the name Hamilton Heights. It's often been considered the Gold Coast of Harlem, with streets lined with magnificent brownstones. The largest single sale in Harlem history happened on Convent Avenue in Hamilton Heights for $3.4 million. Convent Avenue is without doubt the best block, and it is lined with the nicest and most unique townhouses that you'll find in New York City.
Many of the buildings in this area, the apartment houses, the row houses, the townhouses, have received landmark status in recent years, which means that New Yorkers and visitors for generations to come will be able to enjoy those beautiful architectural structures here in this area of New York City.
It's a type of place where people know each other. Your neighbors say hello to each other on the street, and there's plenty to do.
It's like a little community in itself, and at least once a year they close these streets and have open houses in some of these grand old brownstones, and the people come from all over the East Coast to those functions.
It's home to a number of parks. You have Jackie Robinson Park and St. Nicholas Park, which runs for about 25 blocks along the university in City College in New York.
Hamilton Heights is an example of a community that's not afraid to reinvent itself to meet the growing needs of a dynamic neighborhood. Its historical and architectural legacy prospers and lives on and continues to be part of its rich past and a beacon for its bright future.
I think if you're looking for a real neighborhood that has a level of youthfulness about it, architecture that's second to none in Manhattan, with plenty of things and complete infrastructure and transportation, you have to take a look at Hamilton Heights.